morning all. Today our topic is multiplication of algebra. How to do multiply in algebra? Firstly we will start with monomial. Monomial, how to multiply. Now if we multiply monomial 8x multiply 5y. Now one thing, firstly x and multiply, this sign will be different. Suppose you are writing x like this, then when you will do multiply, you will read in algebra that is also x. So separate your x and multiply both. So multiply you write this and x you write small x like that. So monomial, how to multiply? We multiply number by number, then variables with variables. So 8 5s are 40, then x into y, xy. Now you will keep in your mind, in the algebra we will add the powers. When we will multiply, add the powers of like variables. Like variables powers you have to add. Now they are like variables as it is we write. Suppose 2x multiply 4x. So firstly always number 2 4s are 8, then x into x. Now in the algebra I told you, if no power is there, 1 power, then x power 1 plus 1. So in short directly we can write 8x raised to power 2 also, because 1 plus 1 2. So we will add the power of like variables. Suppose minus, your question is minus 4x square multiply 3x y square. Now minus also, firstly the sign we will check, here plus sign, here minus, then minus plus is minus, 1 minus means 1 in the answer. If 2 minus, then minus minus plus. Now multiply numerical value, firstly 4 3s are 12, then check x power, here 2, here 1, then 2 plus 1 3, and then y single, so y square we write. So we will multiply like this in the algebra. Suppose your question is minus 2x multiply minus 5xy multiply 3x square y square. Now firstly sign you have to keep in your mind. Firstly we will always take our sign for multiplying, minus minus plus sign we will not write. Now numerical value, 2 5s are 10 and 10 3s are 30. Now variables, there are two variables x and y you can check. So firstly x variables together. So x, so power is here 1, here also 1 and here 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 2, and y, here power 1 and here power 2. We will add the power of like variables, then 30, x raised to power 4, y raised to power 3. So we do like this, keep in your mind, add the power of like variables for multiply. Now multiplication, next is, now monomial we did. Now next is polynomial, second part, polynomial by a monomial. Monomial, how to do polynomial by. Now we have two methods. Suppose your question 2x plus y minus 8. This is a polynomial and multiply by 4x. Okay, this multiply with all. So one method, directly we will multiply, we will write 4x with this, 4x firstly, then we will multiply this, then bracket we write 2x plus y minus 8. Small term we write here, bigger term we write in the bracket. So now 4x multiply with each term. Firstly this, then second term, then third term. So firstly first term, 4 2s are 8 and x into x, x square. Now 4 in, now plus sign is there, firstly plus sign. Now 4 1s are 4, no number here means one number 4 and x into y, x1. Now third term also, firstly this digit is minus 8. Now 8 4s are 32. Now x. This way we do. We will multiply our 4x with all terms. Keep in your mind, not with first. We will multiply our number, our variables with each term. There are 3 terms. Then multiply first, second, third, then we will get the answer. Number also multiply. If here minus sign, so minus sign also multiply. Then change the sign also. When we will multiply by negative number, change all sign inside the bracket. So this way we solve polynomial by a monomial. Now one more example I am giving. Suppose same question with the different method. 2x plus y minus 8 if we will do with column method. So column method, now we have a 4x, so small number we will multiply. Firstly we multiply with first digit, then second term, then third term, like this. So this is called column method of multiplication of algebra. So same we will multiply. Here no sign, plus sign. So firstly we will write sign. Minus plus is minus. 8 4s are 32x. Now second number, plus is plus, sign always do, and 4x y. Now first 4 2s are 8x, x into x, here power 1, here power 1, 1 plus 1 2. So in the algebra, keep in your mind, add the variables, like variables, power always. So our answer is x square plus 4xy minus 32x. This is a row method. Row method is easy in the multiplication. Now I will explain multiplication. Next, third is multiplication. Multiplication of a polynomial by polynomial. Okay, it means we have a 2 or more than 2 terms. So we have to do 2 or more terms. Suppose you have a question a plus b multiply a plus 3b. This is a question. So firstly we will do column method. Which method is easy for you? You can adopt that method only. This question firstly we will do column method, then we will do row method. So column method, what I told you have to multiply first with both, then second with both. Okay, so first with both. So plus is plus sign, 3 1s are 3, and b into b square, power we will add 1 plus 1. Okay, next is 3 1s are 3, ab. Okay, now 1 multiply with both. Now we will start second multiply with both. Now first multiply here, 2 1s are 2, 2ab. Now ab coming, we will search our first part like variables. ab is here, this also ab coming, so we will write below that 2ab. If suppose not coming ab same, so you can write afterwards or before. You write left side or right side here. Your choice, that is this and that. So now this is 2ab. Now 2 1s are 2, a square. A square is not here in first part, so we will write separately 2a square. Which variables are not same, like variables, you write separately. Okay, and which are like, you write below. Now you will add plus 2a square. Here no other terms, as it is 3b square we will write, and this is 3 plus 2, 5. So this is your answer. So we will do column method like this. Firstly, first term with both, then next line second term with both, then we will add. Like variables add, and unlike variables as it is we write. Suppose here 3ab and here 2ba coming, meaning same. In the multiplying, in the algebra, ab, ba meaning same. If written 2ab and 2ba, that is same meaning. You can change your this 2ab. Okay, you can change this way. Then 2 plus 2, 4, like this. So this way we solve our column method. Now I will explain you row method. Row method, your question is a plus b and multiply means a plus b multiply 2a plus 3b. Okay, So in the row method, this both you will write in bracket, a plus b multiply 2a plus 3b. Row method means in a single line, line by line we will solve. Column method in different way. So firstly now, first term multiply with both. So you write a, first term is a and second part is 2a plus 3b. This way we write. Now after a what sign? Plus, then b, then second part we will write here also. Meaning is same. Firstly we will multiply a with both part, then plus b with both part. Okay. Now here no sign means multiply after outside bracket. If no sign, multiply sign always. Okay. So a multiply with this also and this also. B multiply with this also and this also. Both term we will multiply by b. Now 2a square how to come? 1 plus 1 2. Add the like variables power plus here no like variables, then 3ab. Then here again no like variables, 2 BA or AB. Same way, BA meaning also same, AB also same. Then plus 3 B into B square, add the power of like variables. Now like variables we will add. This is unlike variables, this is also unlike, but these both are like. Then 2a square plus 5ab plus 3b square. So this is our answer. This is called row method. Firstly first term with second part both, then second term with second part both, then step by step we will solve. So this way we solve row method.